Oh my God, John is stopping.
I know.
Where is it?
Up there.
I can't. I'm flipping. That's real, man. Look at it.
It's not shiny anymore. Look at it.
What is it doing? It's turning, bro. If it disappears, I'm gonna flip. No, 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 no.
Here it goes.
Bro, it's landing.
It's going left and right too.
You're looking at a UFO. How do we know? Well, listen. You look up at the sky and you see a light that's 5 times brighter than any object flying in the sky that's ever made with any spotlights. Now listen, we're taking everything into consideration. We're taking helicopters, lights, infrared lights, scanners looking for pot on the helicopter, the police helicopters. They have lights too, they have spots. This is in no way a spot, nor is it a flashing double-sided winged object. It's very round. And it's very bright. It's as bright as plasma. And at one point it gets so red just before it lands, it looks like it's about to explode. But yet the red and the color intensity is absolutely incredible. I saw this outside at 8:35, about 8:45 here in Montreal, Canada, up in the sky. The object is turning, okay? And you know what freaks me out the most is that these UFOs look like bloody stars. So they're very hard to be able to distinguish aside from one another. But it doesn't mean it's, when we say UFO, everyone thinks a craft. It's an unidentified object in the sky, and it's going to come straight down. It came down so low that it came below the trees on the opposite street. So it would have landed, I don't know how many kilometers far out, inside of 15 kilometers for sure. I saw it going straight down. And then at one point, we saw it zigzagging left to right going down. I wish I would have grabbed the camera just a couple of seconds before to see the yellow intensity it had before turning red. And again, it just appeared. It appeared beside the first star of the night. With the night vision filter, we can't see much more than this sphere of light, sort of uneven. It's spherical-ish, I guess. Pulsating, turning. Seems to be turning counterclockwise, from what I can see. And it was descending, you know, and it was descending below the trees, whatever the hell it was. And I've seen many helicopters land, many of them. We have small airports near here, even driving by all day and at night, we can see them land. We can see and interact, see what the spots look like. And this is definitely not one of ours, not one of our airplanes, or not one of ours that we publicly recognize. By adding a filter to this UFO on the surface of the moon really close up, we could see all the different whatever it may be interacting, whether it be gases, whether it be the UFO, for the field around it, magnetic field, I don't know. If we can see them here, like on in Tycho Crater, I'll get a star up to show you the start of one going by. You wouldn't have even seen it if I wouldn't have showed it to you, but they're there, guys. Feast your eyes on it. You'll see it going by the bottom of Tycho Crater, and you'll recognize Tycho, of course, by that bluish spot on top there. There it is, as it's going by the bottom of the crater. More proof. And here, what can you say about this cloud-like or smoke haze confirmed over a very colorful surface with lights flickering on the surface, objects both near the surface taking off and floating by? Okay, some of them can be satellites, but you know what? They ain't all satellites.